a very charming little town. It's a jumping off point to some of the most beautiful nature in Brazil. White sand beaches and turquoise water, beautiful snorkeling. And it has that beach feeling. You have sand under your feet everywhere you go. Very cool. Little fish restaurants everywhere. So definitely a vacation heaven. These little beach stores here. You can get hats and sunglasses and beach blankets.
Okay, I will just get this one.
Okay. 18.
So cheap, yeah. I mean, it's compared with around, you know.
Like $3.50 or $3.50.
The price is not like overpriced like in the tourist area, you know.
Yeah.
Some tourist area they are very overpriced.
Yeah.
Café com leite?
Não, só tem café.
Okay.
É R$7.
Oh, sachet.
Esse
Oh,
tamanho aqui, ó.
I see.
Aqui, ó.
Oh, okay. Yeah, uno. I see. And yeah, I see.
Paulo, é isso? Você é famosa?
I don't understand.
Hã? Aqui. Você é famosa?
Você é famosa?
Ela é famosa. Ela falou. Tu é Instagram?
So the coffee and the pastry,
It's 19.
19.
Yeah.
So like $3.75
I
or
think this
something.
pastry is 7.
Okay.
It's 7. I saw in some other place 7.
Ham?
There's a ham and a
Ham
bread.
and cheese. Yeah.
Ham and cheese.
So if it's that part is 7, then it's like $1.20 or whatever.
Quite big.
Yeah.
It's nice.
There's our boat.
Oh, slowly,
It slides. How funny. And we're boarding.
boat by ourselves. Everyone going to the beach over there, but it's too cold. The water is too cold for me. So I have the caipirinha, which is a Brazil cocktail. Here is 30. If you buy on the restaurant, it's already 23, so it's not much, cost that much. But it's a very nice place here. We enjoy the nature. Then behind me, eating the nut right now.
Almonds look the same in Brazil.
So we have the whole boat by ourselves right now, and I enjoy my caipirinha. So how you think? How you feel about this place?
It's beautiful. It reminds me, if you look at the water, it reminds me of the Caribbean or Southeast Asia. But you put your toe in, it's a little cooler. Reminds me more of California water, Pacific Ocean. It's a tad bit chilly. Wow, 𝐿. That's not bad. Like $2, less than $2, $1.50.
Yeah.
And it's right in the middle of this funky, cool town where we just went on the beach trip. So, just before we grab our Uber home. 24.
Yeah, 25.
There's Chung's grilled chicken, rice. It's hot gone, but
And beans.
and beans. Yeah, the little beans here too. Rice and beans.
Yeah.
For 24,
25.
25. So a little less than $5.